Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Mike Scully here. I want to today talk about work-life balance and this workaholic culture that we have and the grind culture that we have, and talk about the truth, to be honest, and be truthful to my own experience, to what I've seen with others, and just my own self-doings as well. So I want to dive into and really show you the reality of it. The reality of being an entrepreneur, being a business owner, what you need to do. I'm actually even going to talk you through, let's say, my day today, what it includes, and just go from there. Okay, so let's talk about that first. My day. What does a regular day look like for me? So if I take it week by week, I have, on a Monday I'm working, Tuesday working. Wednesday I typically don't work from the morning to the afternoon, 2-3 o'clock, because I spend time with my grandparents. Thursday I'm working, Friday I'm working, but I have the evening off. Saturday, Sunday I don't really do much work, there's no need. So that gives me about 2.5 days off during a full week, okay? Pretty much 2.5 days. Now, on the weekend, I'll do an hour or two here or there, but to me, that's a day off, right? So, after that, what does my regular working day look like? Well, let's be honest, it's long hours. It's getting up at around 7, 8 o'clock. Well, to be honest, I don't set alarms, really. I just get up when I get up and get to work straight away. Now, this morning, I had a team call at 8:30. Then I had about an hour or so. Well, that break brought me to 9 o'clock. Then I had about a half an hour until 9:30 having breakfast. Then I had about an hour till 10:30 doing deep work, preparing for a group call, a Casually Convert coaching group call at 11 a.m. Now, that happened at 11 a.m. Then that led me to 12. I then had a break where I had a bit of food, and I had another call at 12:30 with another student. And that then brought me to after it, where I took another little break. I got a coffee, watched a bit of Netflix. You can even see it here. Like, this is me being truly real of my day. Watched a bit of Netflix, because you need to come down as well. And what I'm doing, but the thing is, I'm not solely bringing up Netflix or YouTube and just watching it. Like, I'm doing something else while it's on in the background. So what I did was messaged all my students. I'm dealing with a lot of students, a lot of clients, and communication was done then for about an hour, really, until about 15 minutes ago, 2 o'clock, okay? So it's 2:15 now. I'm recording this YouTube video, and then after that I need to post a thread. I'm just looking at my book here, looking at my diary and what I need to do. I need to post a thread and post content for Twitter and LinkedIn. Then I need to create 3 game plans that'll take about an hour and a half to create 3 different game plans for students inside my program. Basically, one new person came on board, and 2 I need to adapt and update, because we're in the program a couple of months, and yeah, it just needs to be updated every few weeks, really. So that'll take me till about 4 o'clock. From there, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna clean the car. Right, that's it. That'll take me about a half an hour. Then I'm going to have dinner. Today I'm not actually going to the gym or doing a run. It's an off day. It's just rest day. And from there, then I basically have 2 more. I have a networking call this evening, and I have a sales call this evening at 6:30 and 7 o'clock. Okay, so I'll do deep work in between then, around 6 till 6 o'clock, have dinner around 6 o'clock, and then have 2 calls in a row. After that, it's primarily communication. Again, I might post another tweet, and realistically I'm wrapped up at about 8:30 p.m. this evening. Now, for most people, they think, okay, that might sound a bit crazy. It's 12 hours, but in reality, take 2, 3, 4 for literally just doing what I want. 2 or 3 probably. Cleaning the car. I'll go for a walk as well at some point. Different things like that. So to me, that's my day in the life. To me, that's not a grind culture. That's not a ridiculous day. It's not up till midnight, no breaks, don't get out of the house, don't do a thing besides work, work, work. I don't think there's need for work, work, work. There is a time and a place for it, absolutely. I've definitely done days where it's been 18 hours, like painful days, painfully long, and you sleep very, very little. Barely have time to eat even. I've done many of those days, especially during when I had my 9 to 5 job. I had no choice, but nowadays I have a choice, and I can pick and choose what I do with my time. So yeah, that's kind of what a regular day looks like for me. I wanted to go through that process with you so you can get more of an understanding of what my life looks like. Currently, I'm building I have two companies. I have a landing page agency and I have my coaching business. Plus, I'm actually building a software and writing a book as well in the process of that. So to me, there's a lot of things going on. I'm looking at purchasing property as well. There's so many things going on, but as an entrepreneur, you need to focus on one in the beginning, get one business up and running, then you can start expanding on other ends and other fronts. So that's where I'm at with my life. Kind of an update really, and just show you more about myself, an in-depth day in the life kind of thing. So if you want me to actually do in the day in life, take a camera with me, so on, I'd love to do it, but I would need the interest for it first to actually take the time to get a videographer and so on. So we'll take care. Talk to you soon. And good to have you here. Any questions you have for me specifically, put them in the comments. It would mean the world to me if you subscribe and like this video, just to help me get out there further. And thank you very much. Take care.